In the digital realm of YouTube, an enchanting world unfolds, brimming with countless adorable cartoon characters. These lovable creations have embarked on a mission, crafting simple yet mesmerizing kids' learning videos adorned with delightful 2D animations. As if touched by magic, these videos have become an internet sensation, garnering an astounding 30 million views and still soaring higher. But here's the thrilling part. You too can be part of this captivating journey. Welcome to AI Techscape, where we'll show you how to step into the virtual wonder and embrace the opportunity to earn $4,000 to $10,000 per month. By harnessing the power of AI animation tools, you can expedite your path to success and make your mark in the world of kids learning videos. To start off, you'll require a well-crafted script for your video. But don't fret, generating one is now easier than ever with the assistance of ChatGPT. You can expect better results and a captivating script using this AI language model. Additionally, employing the AI PRM prompt guide can further enhance the quality of your content. To get things rolling, make sure to have the AI PRM installed and locate the YouTube script generator. Once there, provide your prompt, say, write a children's learning video script about mammals. Let ChatGPT work its magic, and soon you'll have a fantastic video script brimming with valuable instructions for visuals and content. Simply copy the host part of the generated text and paste it into a document file like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Then, proceed to copy the entire script and add it to the same document file. With this fantastic combination of AI assistance and your creative touch, you'll be well on your way to creating an outstanding kids learning video that will surely captivate young minds. Next, creating the voiceover for your video is a breeze with the help of Creato AI's fantastic text-to-speech capabilities. To get started, sign up for the free trial by clicking on the option provided. Simply create an account using your email and password, and don't forget to verify your email address once you've successfully set up the account. Once logged in, navigate to the AI text dubbing feature and select your preferred language and voice model. Now, let's put the captivating script we generated earlier to work. Copy and paste the first paragraph from your document file into the Creato AI text box. Click on the Audition button to listen to the output. If you're satisfied with the voice, go ahead and click Confirm. But if you like exploring other options, don't hesitate to change the voice model and audition again until you find the perfect match. Once you're content with the voiceover for the first paragraph, click on Create New and repeat the process by selecting AI text dubbing once more. Now, proceed to copy the second paragraph from your document file and paste it into the Creato AI text box. Examine the output, and if it meets your expectations, click Confirm. You'll repeat this process for all the paragraphs in your script, converting each one into a flawless audio file. Remember to keep the order of the audio files in mind, ensuring they match the sequence of your script. Once you've completed the entire script, download all the audio files in ascending order. With this harmonious blend of captivating script and compelling voiceover, your kids' learning video is bound to be a hit. Now, to breathe life into your video with charming animations, Adobe Express is the perfect choice, and the best part is, it's free. Let's get started with the animation process. Launch Adobe Express and click on Make Animation for YouTube. Considering your audience is children, keeping them engaged and entertained is essential. So, go ahead and select a funny or cute character that will captivate their young minds. To add a personal touch, choose a custom color for the background that complements your video theme. Select the video size as YouTube video size to ensure a seamless fit for your platform. Now it's time to integrate your voiceover into the animation. Upload your first video clip or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. Adobe Express will work its magic, generating an animated character synchronized with your audio. Allow some time for this process to complete. Once the character and audio are in perfect harmony, click the download button to save the video and cherish the fruits of your labor. After downloading the video, you can return to the editing interface by clicking back to editing. To add more variety and depth to your video, click Replace Audio and upload the second audio clip. The character you selected earlier will continue to spread joy, and you can even change the background if it suits your creative vision. Repeat this process for all the audio clips, bringing your entire script to life with a series of delightful animations. With Adobe Express, your video will be infused with a perfect blend of entertaining characters and engaging audio, leaving your young viewers enchanted and eager to learn. So let your creativity flow as you create a memorable and educational experience for your audience. Afterward, to add a touch of dynamic animation to your video, Canva comes to the rescue. If you're new to Canva, simply create an account using your email. Once you're all set up, click on Video and select YouTube Video. Now it's time to showcase the fantastic animated videos you created with Adobe Express. Upload these delightful creations into Canva and let the magic continue. Next, explore the Elements section in Canva and find a perfect background that complements the theme of your video. Adjust the background image to fit your video size, which you can do by referring to the duration of the animated videos in your upload folder. For instance, if the first video is approximately 19.7 seconds long, set the timer to 20 seconds for flawless synchronization during the editing phase. This ensures a seamless and captivating viewing experience for your audience. But why stop there? If you want to make the video even more eye-catching, go back to the Elements area and add more animated components like cute clouds. Play around with their positioning within the background image, aligning them according to your creative vision. When you're satisfied with how things appear, you may download the background photo. Now return to your document and locate the first mammal mentioned in your script. Let's say it's an adorable elephant. Back in Canva, search for the animal in the Elements section. Choose a suitable image and adjust its size to fit the scene. The beauty of Canva lies in its animation features. With a simple click on Animate followed by Create an Animation, you can easily drag the elephant to the desired position and watch it come to life, gracefully moving around in the background. Once you've made any necessary adjustments, download this animated video. It's time to move on to the next mammal mentioned in your script. Repeat the process for all the mammals, ensuring each one adds its own charm to the narrative. Download each video accordingly, and with Canva's user-friendly interface, you'll effortlessly create a lively and captivating video that's sure to impress your audience. So let your creativity soar and infuse your video with animated wonder using Canva. Lastly, to add the finishing touches to your video masterpiece, let's explore the wonders of Wondershare Filmora as your video editing software. Of course, feel free to use any other editing software you prefer. Import all the animated videos and background videos into the software to begin the creative process. Start by inserting the first background video into Video Layer 1 and place the first animated video into Video Layer 2. Select Video Layer 2 and enable the chroma key function in your editing software to achieve the seamless blend. This nifty feature will allow you to effortlessly adjust the position of the animated character, ensuring a perfect fit within the background scene. Also, make sure to adjust the length of the background layer to match the duration of the animated layer for a smooth transition. Repeat this process for the remaining animated videos, layering them over to the corresponding background videos with precision. As you work your editing magic, the characters will come to life, and the scenes will seamlessly flow together, captivating your audience. Once the editing process is complete, it's time to showcase your creation to the world. Click the Export button and watch as your final product comes to life. And voila! You've successfully created a captivating YouTube video with the help of AI, and it's ready to be shared with your eager audience. So, go ahead and unveil your marvelous creation and let the world be amazed by your talent and creativity. Thank you for joining us in this captivating world of AI Techscape. If you enjoy this video and want to embark on this incredible journey with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Together, we can make a positive impact on children's education worldwide. And who knows, even earn $4,000 to $10,000 per month while doing what we love. So let's dive into this creative adventure and unleash the magic of AI in the realm of kids learning. See you in the next video!